I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Abot na sa 78.30 kilometers na farm-to-market road ang nakumpleto ng Department of Public Works and Highways o DPWH Region 6 mula noong 2022 hanggang nitong 2024 sa Western Visayas. Habang ang mga napagawang kalsada ng kagawaran pumalo na sa 218.2 kilometers at 122 kilometers ang sinailalim sa rehabilitasyon. Nasa 1,752 units naman ng multipurpose building ang natapos ng DPWH sa buong rehiyon. Ang mga naipatayong school building naman pumalo na sa 280 o nasa 1,088 na silid-aralan habang 6 na po naman na classroom ang sinailalim sa repair. At para masolusyonan ang pagbaha, 130,053 meters na flood control projects ang naipagawa ng ahensya. Ayon kay DPWH 6 Director Engineer Sunny Boy Oropel, nagpapakita lamang ito na hindi tumitigil ang kagawaran sa pagsasakatuparan ng mga pangunahing proyekto sa mga mamamayan sa ilalim ng Build Better More program ng administrasyon ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr.
Oh, di ba guys? Narinig nyo yun? Courtesy po ng PTV4. Oh, sa mga may nagko-comment kasi diyan nasaan daw yung mga project ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. O ito po ang sagot ko sa iyo, kung nanood ka man ngayon, yan. Sa Western Visayas pa lang yan, See? So, okay na ba sa iyo? Hindi pa po pangkalahatan yan, mga kababayan. Kaya sa mga utak bulinaw, mag-research po kayo para may alam kayo. O ito idagdag ko pa lang itong dito sa Candaba, na pinagawa ng Marcos administration. Sa Luzon lang ito, dagdag ko lang doon sa una kong sinabi, mga pinost. Eka nga, sa unang video mga kababayan, O ito po yung Candaba, third viaduct, no? O ito, pakinggan nyo.
Faster travel. That's what the new NLEX Candaba 3rd Viaduct in Bulacan, inaugurated by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. earlier today, guarantees. It stretches 5 kilometers and was built between two bridges connecting the municipalities of Pulilan, Bulacan and Apalit, Pampanga. This project is a significant addition to the NLEX network, which serve as a major freeway and vital link between Metro Manila, Central and Northern Luzon. According to the President, this project will contribute to the economic growth of Central Luzon by speeding up not just motorist travel, but also the delivery of services and products.
The third viaduct enhances the capacity of this expressway, reduces congestion, ensures faster, more efficient travel. Standing as a testament to this administration's commitment to the Build Better More program, this also shows that we are building the foundation to nurture the development of our countryside.
Although the original completion target was February next year, the project was finished 3 months early of schedule. The President said this is timely, especially during the holiday season when many people travel to the provinces. The President also assured the project was designed using modern engineering innovations to ensure motorist safety. He added this project is proof of the important role of the private sector in developing infrastructure that benefits many Filipinos.
Let us build infrastructure projects with future challenges in mind. Remain focused on pursuing initiatives that uplift lives, build communities, and most importantly, meet the needs of the future that we hope to build for our children and their children.
The President has also directed the DOTR and the Toll Regulatory Board to implement measures ensuring smooth travel along NLEX this Christmas season.
With all this in mind, I call on all concerns, especially the Toll Regulatory Board and the NLEX Corporation, to remain vigilant. Let us prioritize with swift responses mechanisms and deploy well-coordinated traffic management strategies to address the ever-changing conditions and the increasing demands on our toll roads.
The Candaba 3rd Viaduct cost 7.8 billion pesos.
Napanood nyo yun Sample pa lang po yan. Wala pa sa 1/4 or sa kalahati ng 1/4 or sa kalahati ng 1/2 yung project ng Marcos administration. Marami po yan mga kababayan. Kanina yung sa Western Visayas, ito dito lang po yan sa Candaba, isa lang yan. Pero nako, napakadami yan mga kababayan. Kaya Well, sa mga nagko-comment kung nasaan po yung mga project ni Pangulong Marcos Jr., gusto nyo pa malaman, mag-research kayo. Napakadami po yan, Bukod sa mga major project niya, ay sos, Mario Joseph. Obvious naman yung ibang in-upload ko, di ba, mga beswa? So, yun guys, maraming salamat sa inyong watching. See you again on my next upload video. Bye. And, baboos! God bless Philippines!